Hey, welcome to Pastorius Court. This is unit C9. This is one of my favorite units in the building. It's very large, superly spacious, and brandly renovated. So you come into the foyer. These beautiful original hardwood floors have just been stained. As you can see, plenty of windows, plenty of ceiling fans and recessed lighting. A beautiful view of Mount Airy neighborhood. So you walking over there, you have nice decorative fireplaces with two sconces. These doors are for the foyer closet. This is the kitchen. They're doing some last minute finishing over here, but as you can see, beautiful countertops, really nice backsplash, gas range. This could be a dining room or additional living room setup. I'll pan this way so you can see the layout, open concept. Huge living space. All right, so there is an in-unit washer and dryer. As you can see, this is the first of the bedrooms. Nice size. Beautiful double door closet. And then we'll go to this bedroom, which is the smallest in the apartment, but still a great size. Ceiling fan in here as well as a nice sized closet. I'll show you that closet, you can take a look. Bath, so there's two bathrooms here. This is the first, so a nice deep tub, good size. And this is the main bedroom. So ceiling fan here too, large. I love this one because it has a walk-in. So super ensuite experience, some hanging on that side, some shelves on this side, and then your double vanity bathroom with a shower. Slate tile, beautiful shower head, double sink, not double door. So this unit is available now. It is in the Mount Airy neighborhood. If you're interested, text me 267-269-9086, 267-269-9086. Thanks for watching.